Hi, I'm John Williams with ABW Appliances, and today I'll be showing you the Miele Generation 7000 dishwasher. One of the features I love about this dishwasher is the crystal dry. It comes with the drying technology, so you won't need to additionally dry your dishes after the cycle's over. And let me get into the AutoDos feature, which I like a lot as well. Right here, it pops right open, and you can place the power disk, that Miele's special power disk that gives you about a month worth of detergent for cycles without adding more. You can also do single loads with detergent here, and this is your slot for your rinse aid. A great thing about Miele here, it's stylish, and everywhere you see this yellow coating, that means it's the adjustability here. So you can adjust these tines and these stemware holders as well. Even place cups on top. Let me show you the second rack here. Where you see it's marked yellow here, you can adjust the second rack up and down. Adjustable tines here, and also adjustable places for you to add cups, or wine stemware holders, or place something on top as well. Now the best thing about this dishwasher that I like a lot is the third rack here as well. It's very adjustable. It's deeper here, so you can actually add some small bowls or small items here, and move this over if you need any more height here in your lower rack. Yeah, it's in my opinion, one of the best dishwashers in the market. Miele's, they test very well. They test every appliance that you get 3 times at least, and they back their product.